up guys to this video? Play Black Plus. Okay, let's do it. Oh, perfect. Okay, so then this notice. Double. Got this what? Notice. See? Got this one. Double. Okay, this one. I know this game. I play this and I have 100k. You think I'm lying? I deleted Black Plus forever and downloaded it back because some games are blurry and this is better. This wow. This. It's good.
Amazing.
I got amazing. Got this. 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 This 7. Please give me 9 combo. It's okay when I miss it. See? That will come back. This. I got move. I got some moves. I got moves again. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4. Oh. Sorry guys, but my voice changed. I'm just dead. But that's my voice.
Amazing.
Is this good?
Subject pa nito mag-project para ka mag-crouch.
Okay.
Siya yung maka-tutorial lang eh.
This.
Paano ka nag-crouch?
Excellent.
Palitan mo lang keybind mo ba? Pera ng keybind.
This. Six, 7, 8, 9. Can I make my score? I can't.
Excellent. Great.
Okay, so this. Okay.
May walang kausapin ko eh.
Guys, I have to go. Bye.